Hi there, welcome to Code Conyo. For today, I am going to continue about my topic or discussion about sets operations in Python. So for today, I'm going to discuss the difference, set difference. So in Python sets, we can implement two set difference. We have the set difference and symmetric difference. So when we talk about set difference, the set difference is actually a set of elements that exist only in set 1 but not in set 2. So meaning to say if we have like set A and set B, the it's going to only display the elements that exist in set A but not in B. So the difference or set difference can be implemented using two different ways. The first one is the symbol using the minus symbol, and the other one is using the difference built-in function. So let's go directly head to our Google Colab. So this time I have here, let's say, the same elements, and I just have to erase the um, s values here, or the elements here, and then let's say I have here uh, a, and then let's say minus b. So allow me to comment this one out. I'm so sorry. So comment there. So basically, I mean, out of the two sets that uh, we take the difference of the two sets A and B. We only have left here 2, 12, 5, and 7. So why? Because again, the uh, the elements that are not in A, okay, comparing to B are 2, 12, okay, 5, and 7. So notice that they have common like, you just take the elements that are not uh, in B, okay? So that's why what it's left is actually 2, 12, 5, and 7. So 2, 12, 5, and 7. Because again, we have 8, okay? We have also 8 in A, and then we have 10, and we have 10 in B, okay? So, and only show the element of A. If you're going to use the difference, okay? The difference of two sets. So what about if you are going to use the other one is you can use the difference or the difference function or built-in function. So we have here a dot difference b. So this would give us the same answer or the same result or result set. Now, what about symmetric difference? When we talk about symmetric difference, is actually it is a set of elements that are either in A or in B, but not in their intersection. So meaning it is going to remove or omit the elements that are not common to that are common rather in both sets. So the same with the union, intersection, and difference, we can implement symmetric difference in two different ways using the symbol and then the built-in function. So by using the this symbol here, we can uh, di- we can actually display or invoke the idea of symmetric difference. So symmetric difference B. So if you are going to run the program, we would have 2, 4, 5, 7, 11, 12, and 15. So again, notice that among our two sets, we have 8 that are common to them, 10 also common to them. Therefore, we'll need to remove these elements from both sets, and the resulting set would be the remaining sets that are not common to both sets. All right. So I guess that would be all for difference and symmetric difference of sets using Python set. And thank you guys for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye bye.